G'day viewers, welcome to Friday Creek Timber. I'm Glenn Bailey. Resin, epoxy resin and filling cracks. That's today's episode. Move the blade down. Quite beautiful. So what I've got here is a piece of rough barked apple, Angophora floribunda. Rough barked apple is generally considered non-commercial because it's commonly full of gum veins, and when you saw up gum veins they split and the timber's no good. I really like the timber, but they're cracked to buggery. I'm going to show you how I do a simple and effective fix on these cracks. So you can see these cracks are really large. So I get tie down straps and bring the cracks in, and this will greatly reduce the amount of resin I need and reduce the impact of the cracks aesthetically. The masking tape doesn't stick very well to timber, even if it's planed, which this is not. The masking tape will usually leak. To prevent any leaks, I run a bead of silicone around the edge of the tape, and that sticks really well. You can run into a lot of grief with losing resin through leaks, so you've got to be pretty careful with this part. Once the silicone's dry, I turn the slab over. I fill the cracks using a syringe. So this particular resin, I've added a little bit of black acrylic paint just to give it a smoky look. This is quite a subtle timber, and I think the colour will go really well with it. This is runny stuff, which is really good for getting into the timber, but it's also really good for getting away. The resin's really slow to cure in this cold weather. And finally, so I put it through the thicknesser and that does a wonderful job. All finished. Beautiful slab. Finished result, you've got to be happy with that. It was rubbish and now it's perfect. Thank you for watching. And that's all from me. Till next time, Glenn Bailey out.